I never thought I'd be excited about a mask, but here we are. It's 2021, guys. Razer came out with an RGB mask with fans that spin up to 6200 RPM, full Razer Chroma compatibility. I'm ready for the apocalypse, guys. I've got my RGB. Hey, how's it going, everyone? I'm Em. Welcome back to the TechBlock channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of a very special product, all right? Razer sent over their Razer Zephyr mask, okay? It's not your regular face mask, all right? Nah. Razer went above and beyond with this one. Oh my, like this is a genuine product that you can actually buy. They are actively producing like new batches and they're announcing it over on their social media when a new batch drops. And people are buying these at alarming rates. They have built-in LED lighting that I'm going to be testing out because I'm pretty sure this has Bluetooth support, so you can pair it up with your phone and use the Razer Chroma app, I'm guessing, and whatever other app we're going to need to control the actual RPM of the fans. And yeah, you get N95 Grade Filters with two-way protection. So like, they genuinely thought of a lot of things. I really just want to unbox it first because like it'll be so much easier for me to talk about all these features when we actually have the mask out. And I can't imagine how this is going to look on me. Man. Oh my Lord. The packaging is pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. Check this out. Pretty cool. Boom. What do we have here? Oh, well, we have a little booklet here. Razer Zephyr. Do you get Razer stickers with this one? Oh, yes you do. Of course you do. Razer Chroma compatible with this mask. Oh man, so the mask comes in this pouch right here. Cool, and we get something else as well. Now, what else is there? There's like a Razer, there's a Razer anti-fog spray. Of course. Well, this is just amazing, isn't it? So it comes with like a 1 meter USB Type-C cable, so you can charge the actual, like the battery for your mask. This one, of course, has like actual tech built into it, you know, the Bluetooth and everything. Bro, this is mental. I can't believe this is a real product. Razer, you guys are legends for actually releasing this as a genuine product, mate. So this is the mask. We can, of course, do the legendary peel while we're at it. Ooh, hope I didn't break it just now. Ooh. There we go. The peel is complete. Awesome. This is like a little filter that I'm guessing. How does this go back on? Oh, it's magnetic. They thought of it. They thought of it already. I never thought I'd be excited about a mask, but here we are. It's 2021, guys. Razer came out with an RGB mask with fans that spin up to 6200 RPM, full Razer Chroma compatibility. Should I just put this thing on? Wait, are there buttons? Do you pair this? Like, how do you make it turn on and light up? There is a button like right here over on the right, like air intake. Maybe there's two. Oh my Lord. Bro, what? I can hear the fans. Dude, the LED lighting setup. This is mental, guys. And the inside has LED lights as well to actually light up the inside of your mouth. And as you guys can probably see, the inside, can you actually see my mouth moving? I think, yeah, you can actually see my mouth moving. So that is one thing, I guess, a traditional mask has a big disadvantage on. You can't actually see the other person's mouth moving, and it's kind of hard to like understand what people are saying when they're wearing a traditional mask. I think we can all agree. And when you have something like this that has your mouth illuminated, then you can obviously see their mouth moving and actually understand the person a little bit better. Razer Zephyr, 5 stars. I would give this product no less than 5 stars. This is this is insane, dude. This is a real product. Pairing mode. When device is powered on, press and hold the multifunction button for at least 4 seconds. I gotcha. So there is only one button on here as far as I know. There we go. The inside is flashing blue. As you guys can see. Let's pair this thing up. Oh man. What are the controls? Like what, fan control and LED control? I'm still just like in awe that this is a real product. Hey, it came charged. 70%. Lovely. It comes with a high fan speed by default. Well, there's two settings, high and low. High is like, bro, you can hear the fans. If high is set to 6200 RPM, yeah, you hear it, mate. You hear it. Internal lighting static. Oh, bro, of course. This is just jokes, mate. Bro, I feel like I'm ready for the apocalypse, guys. I've got my RGB. I like how they really went all out with the LED lights around the actual two air intakes. Now with this mask, you actually attach it onto your head like this, and the straps themselves are very much adjustable, and you can make it fit your face really comfortably. Like, I'd happily wear this for long periods of time, especially if I can max the fans out. However, they are very much audible, and if you turn them on just by pressing it once when they're off, I can hear them very clearly, and I'm pretty sure the people around you can also hear your 6200 RPM fans. But if you do want to turn it down, you just press it one more time, they go into a low speed, and if you press it again, they turn off completely. If like your co-workers are losing their mind because your fans on your Razer mask are too loud. Bro, when you set the fan speed to high, I feel like I'm a cyborg, guys, no joke. You know what I like? These fans are almost cooling my face down. Oh my lord. Yeah, if you turn the fans off, it's just like, it's just a mad mask that's changing colors, isn't it? But if the apocalypse does come, you're gonna want one of these masks, you know, to protect yourself from the elements, mate. With your RGB, with everything, mate, you're sorted. If you got this mask, mate, ain't nothing gonna get you, bro. You're good. Now this Razer Zephyr mask doesn't just act as like a fancy mask with LED lighting and fans. It does actually serve as a real mask with genuine N95 grade filters that this mask has come with. So let's open this up, and I'm gonna see how easy it is to actually install these filters onto the mask, and like how easy it is to replace them. Now, this does of course come with some instructions on the back about the actual filters and how you can like replace everything. On the packaging here, it does say though that the filters last for 3 days with 8 hours of daily use. So it is recommended that you change the filter every 3 days. But let's open this thing up and see the actual filters that the mask comes with. Wow, okay, so this is definitely gonna last at least 3 days. There's a bunch of filters inside of here. Let's take one of them out. So this is one of the filters. Wow, this actually comes with quite a few. So we're of course going to need 2 of these circular filters and then 1 for the actual mouthpiece as well. As I mentioned earlier, the mask does of course also come with an anti-fog spray by Razer, which is incredible, mate. So we can actually use this on the inside of the mask. All right, I ended up wiping everything down inside the mask, but now we got the anti-fog spray applied. Now, when you actually want to install these N95 grade circular filters, the parts of the mask, a lot of them are actually magnetic, which is very nice to see. They just kind of snap back on and you can easily like remove them. I actually had no idea that these were even removable until now, but this is actually how you install the filters, and you can see the fans right there as well. And one thing that is pretty cool as well is that there is one button on here, and of course when you do press it once after the mask has been turned on, this will turn the fans on, and if you press it again, they're going to go to low speed, and if you press it a third time, they're going to turn off completely. And you can see the tiny little Razer fans inside of here spinning away when they're actually on, which is kind of cool. But to install these filters, all you got to do is put the filter there, and then via the magnets, this will just snap back on, and we can pop this back on as well, and it will just attach back on via a magnet. It's also worth mentioning that both of these sections here where the fans are the air intakes, and of course they will intake filtered N95 grade air through these 2 like fan intakes right here, and we can install the third filter just like this, as this mask is designed not only to protect you, but also to protect the people around you. It actually comes with a 2-way air filtration system. So not only the intakes are filtered, the actual exhaust, which is through here, is filtered as well. But it really is that simple installing the new filters onto the mask, and you know, swapping them out is going to be really easy. You just of course take this off, pop a new one in, and you can continue on with your day. I'm going to Tesco right now for my late night Tesco trip. So this mask comes with like face cooling. a definite bonus, that's for sure. I've seen a few people giving me some funny looks so far. I mean, it looks kind of cool when you just have the 2 rings on. If I were to like actually wear this mask in real life, I might turn the lights off or have them set to like a single color. The wave effect might be a bit much for the public, but if you have the lights off, I mean, it's just like a very fancy mask that like actually works as like a real mask. It's better than like the normal masks. When you're in your RGB car, you need an RGB mask to, of course, like match everything. Color match your car's interior to your mask. It's very important. When you turn the mask off, by the way, just hold the button and it does a little like red LED lighting effect. Then it turns off, man. I'm gonna keep the mask off for the remainder of the video because it is a little bit difficult to maybe understand what I'm saying through the microphone as I'm wearing the mask. It is brilliant though that you can see like your mouth moving when you are wearing the mask, and I can confirm that the anti-fog spray Razer include with this mask genuinely works. Like after I sprayed it into this mask and I purposely tried to like make the mask fog up, it didn't fog up whatsoever, which is pretty impressive. For people that don't have a Razer Zephyr mask and are like forced to wear a mask at work, for example, I didn't even know an anti-fog spray existed, but if you have to wear like a traditional mask and you also wear glasses, maybe buy anti-fog spray, spray that on your glasses so that your glasses don't fog up despite you wearing a mask. Overall though, this is a pretty cool product. I have seen some suggestions by the community for like what they could have done with this Razer Zephyr mask, and one of the main ones I saw was they could have integrated like a voice changer. Having the actual microphone and speaker setup in here would have been like a cherry on top, as it would obviously like amplify your voice, make it louder, quieter. Maybe you could adjust like the pitch of your voice or something. That would have been a genuinely cool feature to see in a mask that costs like £100 or $100 if you're in the US. Razer today actually tweeted that they are doing even more batches of these masks, so stay tuned, I guess, over on their Twitter page if you want a chance to buy one yourself. I would like to say a massive shout out to Razer for, of course, sending me one to review on the channel. It's genuinely a one-of-a-kind product. I can't believe they actually came out with this as like a genuine product you can buy yourself, but it's pretty damn cool. Hopefully we don't have to see a V2 because, you know, I think we can all agree we all want the masks to go away and never come back. However, if they do make a V2 of this Razer Zephyr mask, I think adding like a voice amplifier, you know, microphone speaker setup, something like that would be a cool addition. But I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Shout out to Razer again for sending this over. I'm gonna have some links in the video description to where you can buy this. However, I think you can only buy it on the Razer store. You can add like your email to the Razer website, I think, to get notified when a new batch goes live. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in another video soon. Goodbye.